Welcome to the start of a new module, focusing on the 4 pillars of object-oriented programming, beginning with encapsulation. You've already used techniques that support it, like getters and setters, but now we'll formally define the concept and explore Python's unique way of implementing it. 1. Definition of encapsulation. Encapsulation is the mechanism that binds data, attributes, and the methods, behaviors, that operate on that data together into a single unit, which is the object. More importantly, it hides the internal, sensitive details of the object from the outside world. Think of it as putting both the data and the methods into a protective shell or capsule. 2. The importance of data hiding. Data hiding prevents external code from directly accessing and accidentally corrupting an object's internal state. For instance, if a student object has a GPA attribute, we don't want external code to set the GPA to a negative number or a letter. By hiding the data and forcing access through methods, we can add validation logic, ensuring the object always remains in a valid state. 3. Encapsulation in Python. Unlike many other languages, Python does not have strict keywords like private or public. By default, all attributes are publicly accessible. The example shows a car object created with speed 50, but external code can directly set the speed to -100, which is logically impossible. To prevent this, Python relies on a concept called name mangling to semi-enforce privacy, combined with programming conventions. To summarize, encapsulation is about control and data integrity. Since Python lacks strict privacy controls, we rely on special syntax. Our next lecture 17.02, Private Fields and Name Mangling. See you there.